The Ferrari F8 Tributo has been revealed at the 2019 Geneva Motor Show as a replacement to the 488 GTB. It posted impressive numbers along with its 88-pound weight savings compared to its predecessor. 720 horsepower and 568 pound-feet, 770 newton-meters of torque generated by the twin-turbo 3.9-liter V8 that allows a 0-62 miles per hour, 0-100 kilometers per hour sprint for as little as 2.9 seconds, down by 0.1 seconds. Compared to the GTB, it's 0 to 124 miles per hour, 200 kilometers per hour, only 7.8 seconds, with a top speed of 211 miles per hour, 340 kilometers per hour. It's indeed a force to be reckoned with, but its status as a 488 replacement instead of an all-new model poses a lot of questions. Why did Ferrari produce a car to replace a model that was also a replacement to a 10-year-old name? Ferrari's chief technical officer Michael Leiters offered some answer in its interview with Road Track. Just a brief background, the Italian prancing horse has been caught testing a 488 hybrid model before the Geneva event. As such, it was presumed that the replacement to the 488 in the Marquis lineup would be electrified and will serve as a new platform for future Ferraris with a hybrid powertrain layout. According to Leiters, however, they chose to go with F8's path instead of hybridization to be more focused on daily usability. So instead of an all-new car, they amped up the 488 to have it sit between the current GTB and Pista. It's just a matter of allocating the slots for the cars, presumably to save money. The good news is, the upcoming hybrid model will be a totally new animal that will be focused on track performance. Even better, Ferrari CEO Luis Calmieri confirmed that the hybrid model will arrive in 2 to 3 months. Besides, the F8 Tributo, beyond its impressive performance numbers, is a lot better than the 488 GTB when it comes to aerodynamic efficiency, minus 15% better, to be exact. With this new car isn't exactly new, but it is a significant improvement from its predecessor.